Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 高 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write 高 高 means high, tall, feminine name, surname, 高. For example, 高级 高级 high level. Advanced. Now check this sentence. This is an advanced feature. This is an advanced feature.这是一个高级特性。这是一个高级特性。这是一个高级特性。This is an advanced feature. 这是一个高级特性。My casual handwriting on the character 高。高 high, tall, or surname 高。高级 high level, advanced. This is an advanced feature. 这是一个高级特性。高 Please comment any words or sentences with character 高. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.